project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hope you got your umbrella ready. It's gonna be rain, rain, and some more rain today. My mustache is going to be soaked. I can't stand this weather. Everything's wet and cold. Ew.
What's wrong, Sammy? You sound very sad.
Oh well. I've been waiting patiently, but it's pointless, Sue.
Waiting for what? What's going on?
Well, they say that there's always a rainbow after a storm. It's been hours now, and guess what? No rainbow!
This gives me an idea. We'll bring the rainbow to you. Let's go!
Wait, can we really do that? Count me in. I'm so confused, Sue. What are we going to do?
I thought we could make our own rainbow crafts. It'll cheer you up. What are you doing?
I'm just posting online. #rainbow and send.
Is this my phone? Wait, that's it. We'll make a rainbow phone case. You're a genius, Sam.
I am? I mean, of course I am.
I know exactly where to start, and we'll need our glue gun. Let's make it super cute. What's cuter than love hearts, right? Just remember to be very careful using the hot glue gun, friends.
Wow, I love it! Get it? Wait, I can't see? This was a mistake!
Very funny, Sam. Why don't you pick the glitter?
That's better. Now let's see. Well, glitter, this is it! The moment you've trained for. I want you to sparkle like stars.
Sammy, the glue is setting. We need to speed up.
Oops, sorry, Sue. I was trying to make a motivational speech.
Keep it coming. We need lots more.
You heard her, guys! Go! Go, go! Oh yeah, I feel so alive. It is like glitter explosion. Want some green magic? Or a shimmer of blue?
Are you okay? We've already finished the first craft. What do you think? It's a good start, huh?
It's wonderfully sparkling! But I want more rainbows!
Don't worry, we're just getting started. Where are they? I know they're around here somewhere.
Looking for something?
My slippers are gone. Did you see them?
Well, that's a real mystery we should solve. Let go, Leo! I saw them first! Hey! That solves the problem. I haven't seen them, honest. Wait. I know. We can make you a new pair of slippers. Not only one piece.
Huh? One piece? What does that mean?
Nothing. Forget about it. We need more straws. Let's do this. Trust me, Susie, you'll love this. I think we need an iron for this next part.
Hang on. Why do I always end up doing your chores? Is this your trick?
Ew! When did you last wash your feet, Sue? Yikes!
Hey, shush! Everyone's watching. It's supposed to be our secret. Let's just continue with the craft. Deal?
Okay, but we need to have a serious talk when we're done. Ew!
Wow, they look great! Thanks, Sammy. I can't wait to try them on. Hang on! Is this Roger's sock?
Uh-oh! Did a skunk sneak into your socks? Ew! After the sock incident, I can't take any chances.
Sam, what's all this about?
Never mind. We gotta think of something for the next craft.
That's why I have this book. It's where I keep all my crafting ideas. There might be something we can use in here.
Hold on. I'm not sure about this, Susan.
What do you mean, Sammy?
Your notebook is kind of boring. Let's give it a splash of color and fluffiness.
Whoa, you're full of great ideas today. We'd better put that one down in the notebook. Right, friends?
It's Sammy! ready to win the match. The crowd falls quiet. Sam shoots! And he scores! Almost.
Well done, Sam, but we're still gonna need a lot more.
I'll take care of that, Sue. Get ready for a super kick. It's coming in hot, Sue. Hi-ya! Here's one more. Phew, that was hard work, but I got all the pom-poms onto the notebook.
Oh, it's perfect, Sam. So soft to the touch and colorful. Love it. Here's more.
I forgot soccer had 2 halves. Here we go again. Yay! Yay! A little green here, and more green over there. Ugh! Not again. Why this keeps happening? Ugh!
Don't worry, I know just what you need, Sammy. We can make a rainbow pencil. It'll be better than any pencil you've ever had.
Hate to tell you this, Sue, but it's black and white.
Not for much longer. Come on, what do you say?
Ooh, art projects. Love those. Time for a costume change. Okay, I'm ready, Sue. Let's make a masterpiece.
What? How did you do that?
To be honest, I've got no idea. I just walked back there and bam! I'm wearing this.
Now we need to laminate it with this clear adhesive sheet. In the meantime, you can work on the other pencil, Sam. It'll speed things up.
No problem. What could go wrong?
Right. So how's it going?
It started out fine, but then the sheet had a mind of its own. Ouch! Well, now I know what waxing feels like. Ew!
You look so smooth, Sammy. Every pen needs ink, right, friends? I'll just tape it in place with a tape. There you go. Then we can add the other side. Just make sure it sticks well.
Ooh, we can use this to pad it out. In it goes. I'm gonna need another waxing appointment after this.
Don't worry about it. You already look distinguished, Sam. Looking sharp as always. There, we finished the pen. Ooh, it's so soft.
Wow, I'll draw the best rainbow ever with this. Nope, no. Oh, why did I buy those ugly clothes? Oh, why?
Hey, Sammy, what on earth happened here?
I'm getting ready for the storm to end. I gotta look good to meet the rainbow. None of these clothes has pizzazz. Gah!
I think I can help you with that. Let's make a rainbow t-shirt.
A rainbow t-shirt? Sounds amazing. Let's do this.
We'll start by spreading a glitter rainbow on this plate.
Let's keep the glitter coming, and more colors too.
Now, we need a plain white t-shirt like this one. Oh, this is the fun part. It's about to get messy, friends. Oh, yeah. Look at this. It's like I have a rainbow right in my hand. Now, I'll press my hands onto the t-shirt and ta-da! A perfect handprint rainbow t-shirt.
This is amazing! It's been a dream of mine to have my own fashion line. Now, check this out. It's gorgeous! It'll be all the rage in Paris.
But who is gonna clean up this mess?
Gotta go! Paris awaits!
Oh, where is Sam? We have a video to finish.
Bonjour, Sue. Paris Fashion Week was a huge success. They loved Style by Sam. This jewelry is so heavy. Ew. That's much, much better.
Sammy, you can't just dump them here. They're so pretty, though. Wait a second. This gives me an idea. It would be such a waste to lose these. We just need something to store your blings, and a 3D pen will help us with that. It's okay, Sam. I got this. Now, let's do the thumb in green. Do this carefully, patiently, layer by layer.
Whoa! It's perfect! My jewelry will look great on this.
And it will keep everything nice and surely tidy.
I made a spare hand, Sue!
Huh? You've got more jewelry?
Nope, this one is for Roger's bedside table. He'll be so scared.
Sammy, no, get back here. Too late.
Oh, come on!
Sammy, what are you wearing?
All the crafts cheered me up and I decided I'm going outside to play. A little rain won't stop me.
Princess Billy will not accept any such proposal!
Don't be such a brady cat. Of course she should accept.
Hello, I'm right here. What should I accept or not?
The twin princesses want to have a carriage race with you. A race.
That sounds like fun.
What Lady Fiona has failed to mention is that the loser of the carriage race must surrender their kingdom to the other!
You mean leave forever?
Yes, but remember who pulls the princess twins' carriage? Sydney. You know, the snail. They don't have a chance of winning.
Of course they don't. I could beat that snail galloping backwards.
We shouldn't risk the whole kingdom on one single race.
But imagine if we won, which we will. We will be rid of the twin princesses forever.
Please, princess, say yes.
But if you lose, we would all have to leave, Magic-y.
Tell the princesses that we accept the challenge.
Yes!
Maybe we should get new tires, something super fast and bouncy.
You can beat that snail in a race without tires.
What's the matter, Sydney?
I've been fired! The princesses don't want me anymore!
Don't worry, Sydney. You can stay here as long as you like.
Wait a minute. If you're not pulling the twins' carriage, then who is?
Some big fancy new racehorse!
Racehorse?
But racehorses run way faster than unicorns. I think I'm gonna faint.
Yeah! Yeah! Wow, he is very fast!
Perhaps we should begin packing our bags.
Fear not, Countess Elizabeth. With a little training, Fiona will be able to run just as fast. I might even beat that nag.
That's great! We'll all help you train for the race.
Okay, let's start with some push-ups.
Are you okay, Fiona?
I'm fine. Just slipped on a snail trail. Nothing broken. Straight back to training. I think I sprained a hoof.
Oh dear! You can't run a race with a sprained hoof!
But if she can't race, the twins will automatically win.
Oh!
I'm so sorry. It's all my fault.
No one's to blame, Sydney. Accidents happen.
And happen again.
We'll find someone to race with us.
How? Other than Fiona, the only person who can pull a carriage is Sydney.
Truman's right. Sydney can pull my carriage in the race. What do you think, Sydney?
Oh, really? You'd let me race for you?
Absolutely. We only have to get from our castle to the Twins' kingdom, and you know all the shortcuts.
I would be honored to pull your carriage, Your Highness. I'll go get my racing goggles.
Goodbye, wonderful castle. It was nice knowing you.
Come on, you guys. Sydney's a friend who needs to believe in himself, and the best way to do that is for all of us to believe in him, too. Yeah. What? What?
Oh.
You're gonna let Sydney pull your carriage? Yep, and we're going to win. Dream on, Princess Billy. Your kingdom will soon be ours. Won't it, Flash?
Maybe this was a bad idea.
Remember, nobody knows all the shortcuts in Magic better than you do.
You can do it. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba. Oh! Good job, Sydney! Keep it up!
Oh, we barely moved!
It's a start. Other way, Flash! Other way! Marie, I think our horse is broken. They're going the wrong way.
I don't think Flash listens very well.
Hold on! This is our chance! Fasten your seatbelt, Your Highness. I'm gonna make a run for it.
Go! Go faster! Faster!
I can't watch!
No? Oh no!
Not good, not good.
Come on, come on! Yes, faster, faster! I don't get it. Why aren't they overtaking us?
They must be following us because they know Sydney knows all the shortcuts, and then they'll try to beat us.
They won't be following us for long.
Follow that carriage! Fine, we'll take the road up. Your shortcut saved us lots of time! Oh, what kind of ding-dong horse slips at the last minute? Come back here, Flash! You can't quit! Go, Sydney, go!
Yeah!
We won!
Sydney, you were amazing!
I knew you could do it, Sydney!
No, you didn't.
Don't ruin a lovely moment.
So, I guess you losers will be moving out of your kingdom as we agreed to in this invitation?
Those were the rules.
Huh, as if we would want to live here anymore anyway. How about we make a deal? You can stay on the condition that you apologize to Sydney and you give him his old job back.
My dream of being rid of those two? Gone in an instant.
Sydney, would you please come pull our carriage?
I thought you'd never ask. Thank you for believing in me, Princess Billy.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Majiki. There, finished! 2 dresses sewn together to make one.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Huh? Give that to us, Billy. Those are our dresses. No, Dad gave them to me, and you said you didn't want them anymore. Huh? Okay, that's true. That dress you made is way cooler. Thanks. We've got lots of dresses we don't like anymore. Can you teach us to make new ones like this? If you promise not to be so mean. We'll try.